Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your code quality with SonarQube detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your code quality with SonarQube, start by downloading and installing SonarQube on your local machine or a server. Visit the official SonarQube website to get the latest version. Choose an appropriate package based on your operating system. Follow the installation instructions provided for your selected package. Once installed, navigate to the SonarQube home directory. Start the SonarQube server by executing the required command for your operating system. Open a web browser and go to http://localhost 9000 to access the SonarQube dashboard. Log in with the default credentials, username admin and password admin. After logging in, change your password for added security. Next, create a new project by clicking on the Create Project button. Fill in the project key and name as prompted. Select the preferred visibility setting for your project. Follow the instructions to generate a unique authentication token for SonarQube. Take note of this token, as you'll need it for the analysis configuration. Now, set up your project analysis by navigating to the project settings. Configure the source code directory where your project file. Install the SonarQube scanner for your build environment if you haven't already. Depending on your project type, choose either the Sonar Scanner CLI, Maven, Gradle, or other supported plugins. In your project's configuration file, add the necessary SonarQube properties, including the project key and the authentication token. Run the Sonar Scanner command to start the code analysis. Monitor the output for any issues or prompts as the scanner processes your code. Once the analysis is complete, return to the SonarQube dashboard to review the results. Explore the various metrics provided, including code smells, bugs, vulnerabilities, and code coverage. Utilize the dashboard to track technical debt and assess the overall health of your code. Incorporate SonarQube into your CI/CD pipeline for continuous code quality management. Set up regular scans to ensure ongoing monitoring of your codebase. Establish a typical code review process based on the insights gained from SonarQube analysis. Continue to refine your configurations and improve the quality gate settings based on team needs. Regularly train your team on interpreting SonarQube results and best practices for coding standards. Stay updated with SonarQube features and enhancements by checking the release notes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.